Hello student of class 8. This video is the continuation part of your previous chapter percentage. I am going to start subjective type questions. I will do sum number 3 under 1. You will do the remaining portion. 1, 3. That is 5 by 8. Convert it into percent. That is, I can write it in this way, percent. This is equal to 4 to 425. 125 by 2%, that is equal to 62 half percent. Okay. You will do the remaining sums. That means 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 4. I am doing sum number 3. And sum number 2, I will do sum number 3. That means 46 2 by 3%. That is equal to, convert it into vulgar fraction. This is equal to 46 into 3, that is 140 by 3 into 1 by 100. Percentage means 1 by 100. 0, 0 cancel out. 2, 7, 2, 5. That is equal to 7 by 15. This is the required vulgar fraction. Okay. And I am going to next sum. Sum number 3. Convert it, this percentage into decimal. 3. 12 2 by 5%. That is equal to 62 by 5 into 1 by 100. That is equal to 62 by 500. So 562.01 5001200 20004. That means 0.124. That means 124. Okay. Answer is 124. You will do the remaining sums after under 3. That means 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, etc. Number 4. Convert it into decimals. Decimal into percent. That means 4 to 185. That is 185 by 1000. Okay. This is equal to, I can write it in this way. 10 into 1 by 100. This is equal to 18.5%. 1 by 100 equal to percentage. So 185 by 10, I can write it in this way. 185 by 10 into 1 by 100. 1 by 100 equal to percentage sign. And 185 by 10 equal to 18.5. This is the required answer. Sum number 43, that is 1.75. This is equal to 175 by 100. This is equal to 175%. Okay. Sum number 1, that is 0.42. This is equal to 42 by 100. I can write it in this way. This is equal to 42% and 4. 3.25, that is equal to 325 by 100. I can write it 325 into 1 by 100. This is equal to 325%. Okay? I hope you will understand the sums. Next sum number 5. Find the value of 75% of rupees 400. That is equal to 75 by 100 into rupees 4. I can write 75% equal to 75 by 100 of equal to me into and rupees 40. So this is equal to 4 and rupees 75 into 4, that is equal to rupees 300. This will be the answer. Sum number 6. Find the value of 65% of 50 meters. Okay? This is equal to 65 by 100 into 50 meters. This equal to 2. This is 65 by 2, that is equal to 32.5 liters. Okay. Sum number 7. Find the value of 15.5% of 25 quintals. That is equal to 31 by 2 into 1 by 100. Percent is equal to 1 by 100 into 25 quintals. Okay. 4. This is equal to 31 by 8 quintals. Okay. 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. So 31 by 8 quintal equal to 31 by 8 into 100 kg. 4 to 425. This is equal to 77 by 2 kg. This is equal to 3, 8, 7, 1 by 2 kg. 387 whole and half kg. Okay. Sum number 8. Find the value of 20% of 25 meter 30 centimeter. 20% of means into 25 30 centimeter equal to 25 30 centimeter. This cancel out. 2 5 5 5 0 6. That is equal to 506 centimeter. This is equal to 5 meter 6 centimeter. Okay, student. Next sum is sum number 9. Find the value of 0.1% of rupees 5,000. That means 1 by 100. Sorry, 0.1 equal to 1 by 10 into percentage equal to 1 by 100 of equal to into rupees 5,000. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Cancel out. Answer rupees 5. Okay, answer is becoming rupees 5. This is the required answer, and I am ending here. The next video will come in next